They make a diabetes test kit, and this individual client was looking to bring on probably about 200 people. So, what we used Gate for was to find somebody who was teachable, coachable, who could understand the basics of manufacturing, and then really what was their energy level like. When you work inside of a manufacturing plant, you're standing in an assembly line oftentimes with 100 other different people, and you have to be able to understand what your job is in that assembly role, even more so than if you came from some other outside experience level. So, what GATE was able to do was identify those individuals quickly within a 4-hour time period. And so that it really broadened our pool of individuals so that we weren't necessarily looking for 100 skilled manufacturing workers with a year of experience. We were able to find people who had very transferable skills, put them through this GATE assessment, make sure that those transferable skills came across, and get their 200 orders filled. And what ended up happening long term with that particular client is that they ended up opening another facility in another state where we were able to follow them, and they immediately asked for GATE to be put in place instead of asking for the skilled manufacturing workers.